Hi, 𝐇𝐎𝐁𝐎 from 𝐕𝐃𝐆𝐃.
This is Dan from 𝐕𝐃�0𝐃.
Today my chef will cook me whatever I want. So I bought the
It's slavery.
I bought the cactus. I bought this cactus and I want Daniel to cook for me.
Yeah, we try to eat local because it's cheaper and we like to learn about the world. And so she chopped that up into pieces and cleaned it. That's the cactus.
This cactus
And
here.
then we put water in the
soya milk.
Yeah.
The fake meat because to make it expand.
And we'll strain that before we cook with it.
And we have this chili, habanero, and leftover what is this?
Celery.
Spring onions, and garlic.
And this whole bag was 26, you said?
Yeah, 26.
So this is a soy product. And so it's probably 6 meals of protein for like 5 cents each or whatever that is.
Yes.
Maybe more than that, 10 cents, 15 cents each.
Okay.
So voila, and 𝐶𝐻's already cooked the rice over here. She's pretty good at rice, so I don't fool with that. So that's what we're up to.
This is the soya meat that I found in the markets. Here near to our place is 400 grams, is 26 peso.
So we're always telling you to live local, eat local, to keep your expenses down and to really learn about a culture. You don't learn about a culture when you stay in a highfalutin hotel or a high-rise condo. But you learn how the locals live, you learn about their foods and everything when you live local. And that's what this is. This is a local kitchen in Mexico. And this is the soy that I was telling you about. And so I'm going to strain it. You don't have to put it in water to get it to, because it comes like as almost a cereal. And so you have to hydrate it before you cook it. So I'll let that sit on the counter. And I'm just putting the cactus and all the other vegetables 𝐁𝐎 is chopped up in here. And the soy meat. So 𝐁, what do you guess this meal is going to cost?
I have no idea yet. Now I'm filming you cooking and we got this olive oil.
Okay, I'm going to put some olive oil in here.
The olive oil is 2 liters for 190 peso is $9. $9.5.
We travel with our own spices, and so I'm going to put some pepper in here. And I'm going to put some, that was black pepper. This is a cayenne pepper here. So as you can see, I just wing it. I don't want to go with a tomato today. I'm going to go with a beer as a base. Modelo is a local beer here. Just a little bit of soy sauce. As you can see, I don't really measure. And I want a little more heat, not just the cayenne. This one is a little different. It has some, you've seen this in the States, they have it.
It has a smoke flavor.
It's a little vinegary, I would call it. And then, so I've got olive oil in there, black pepper, cayenne. I have this Valentina, some soy sauce, and some Modelo Negra. I was thinking about putting wine in, but that would taste a little too European. Okay, I'm gonna just put this on about medium and just let it start warming up. Okay, let's see how it goes.
Now I'm talking about that we see how this thing will be turned out with these sauces and soya sauce and Modelo is a black beer. We also it's quite Asian for me because we use beer to cook as well. And this is my beautiful rice that I cook without a rice cooker.
It's smelling good already, so I just thought I would come make sure it's okay.
I can smell. Very nice. This one, the small meat, the fake meat, it reminds me of an Asian dish we eat that. My mom would chop the pot to be like a mince.
Pork?
Yeah, the mince pot,
Mixed.
and then mix with egg and then steam it. It was very nice. With salty egg, so it's very very nice. I'll let you here.
Turned it low now. Just let it simmer for 5 or 10 minutes. Gotta do a taste test here.
Oh, smell very nice.
Needs a little bit of cayenne pepper and half a lime. Do you have the lime squeezer? Is that in here?
Yes, it's on the drawer.
Is this the lime or lemon?
It's lime. It's already been long. I have a.
It's old, is that?
Yeah.
That's why it's yellow.
I didn't say yes. It is.
One half is enough, I think. Such a strong flavor. This is pretty hot cayenne, so we can take hot, but trust me, it's really hot.
So you put the spice is adjust as your liking. So yeah.
Chung and I can eat hot, but if you were here, it's a good chance you wouldn't be able to eat this. I think we're just maybe another minute away. This is just simmering now. It's on the lowest heat. Luckily it's a gas heat. I don't like working with electric. Yeah, I think we'll be ready in a minute or two.
Okay. Is it time to eat?
I don't know. Let's see. Let's see if I survive.
It's your cooking. You definitely survive.
You gonna survive? Yeah, let's eat.
See, this is our rice ready. Very nice rice. Just want to show you, we cooked the cactus.
Very nice presentation, 𝐁𝐎.
𝐁𝐎. Look, so it's very nice. We have to try it, whether it's nice or not. But smell is very good.
Next time I think I'll put a little peanut in it.
We don't have peanut.
That's why I didn't put it in there. We didn't have a little peanut butter maybe. And maybe some chopped nuts would be fun too.
Oh, the cashew is like almost my first time to eat the cashew and cook
The cactus, you mean?
cactus.
Yeah.
Sorry, cactus. It's nice.
Very simple.
Because cactus is plain like the fig meat, so you need to cook something more strong, the sauce inside. It's very nice. I love the fig meat that we found. I love it. It's so easy.
Yeah, when you go to a new country, you have to, maybe not the first day or two, but eventually you need to go to the grocery store, and I mean a local grocery store, and just wander through it and just pick stuff up and look at it and go, what is this? What do I do with it?
No, I write the name, soya meat, in Spanish to the staff. I said, can you find me this one? And then he said, this one. I said, oh, okay. Yeah.
So they helped you.
Yeah, yeah. If by myself I cannot find because it's a different packaging. That one is more commercial packaging. Yeah. It's very cheap and it's very nice.
She's saying that one because when we had bought soy meat before, and it was these big chunks. And these are small little chunks, so it's a different.
I can show them.
So if she went looking for the same thing, she wouldn't find it.
This one they call as chorizo. They have spicy one. I didn't buy. I'm not sure whether it's nice or not because we bought the chips, the taco chip.
Yeah. Oh yeah.
When it come out like different spices and it come out not nice. The original one is the best. So this is more commercial packaging and so it's 26 peso. This is very local and it's a big chunk. It's the same thing, you need to put inside the water and label. This one is a big one, also it's like 28 pesos. So everything is cheap for the fake meats and it's dry, so we can bring by ourselves to another place, in case that we cannot find. We are going to maybe Belize, Nicaragua soon, or Guatemala, or Panama, or Dominican Republic, we don't know. So I will be bring this one, at least one pack with me to go until I found the meat.
So what do you think, how much is this meal?
This one?
It's gotta be $1 per person or less, right?
It's like, it's less than $1 per person. The Castus that I bought is 8 pieces, is 10 peso.
Wow.
It's a 10 peso, and I use only 3 Castus.
Yeah.
And this one just use, like.
So this might be 50 cents per person or less.
Maybe I call it rice would be a little bit more, so maybe I call it total cost of this maybe is $1.50 for both of us. Maximum, that's maximum. You will not be more than $1 actually.
It's nice.
Yeah. So do you like our cooking? Then please like if you like my video, please like my YouTube channel, follow me, subscribe me in YouTube channel, like it, comments, and share it with your friends. This will help our channel grow. Thank you so much. This is Dan, and I'm 𝐂𝐿.
That's right. She got it right.
Bye bye.